بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Prophet Yunus was sent by Allah to guide the people of Nineveh, a city drowned in corruption and idol worship. When the people rejected his message, Yunus grew frustrated and left the city without Allah's permission. As he sailed away, violent storms struck the ship. The crew, fearing death, drew lots to sacrifice someone to calm the storm. Yunus's name was chosen. Accepting his mistake, he threw himself into the raging sea. A giant whale swallowed Yunus, plunging him into darkness. Inside the whale's belly, Yunus realized his error and prayed sincerely. "There is no God but you. Glory to you. I have wronged myself." Allah, the most merciful, heard his prayer. The whale released Yunus onto a barren shore, where Allah caused a tree to grow and shelter him. Meanwhile, the people of Nineveh, witnessing Allah's signs, repented and turned to faith. Yunus returned to a transformed city,